Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this Betty Crocker Delights Supreme Original Brownie Mix. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You're going to need a pan. You can use one of these disposable foil ones or a glass one or a non-stick metal one, whatever you would like. You're going to need your brownie mix, a bowl to mix everything up in, some vegetable oil, 1 egg, some cooking spray or butter to grease the bottom of your pan, and then we're gonna need some measuring cups and a spoon to stir it with. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven. Because I'm using a shiny metal pan, I'm gonna be preheating to 350 degrees. If you're using glass, you would do the same, but if you're using a non-stick pan, it would be 325 degrees. Next thing we need to do is grease the bottom of our pan, so I'm just gonna spray some of our cooking spray in there. All right, and now we're just gonna set that aside for right now. Next, let's go ahead and get our box opened up and pull everything out. We've got our brownie mix and our chocolate syrup pouch, which is this smaller one right here. Now we're gonna go ahead and pour both of these into our bowl. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Next, we're gonna add our 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of water in there, and then 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Now we just need to go ahead and mix this up until it is well blended. All right, we've got that mixed up pretty well. We're gonna go ahead and pour this into our pan and spread it evenly. All right, now our brownie is in the pan and ready to go into the oven. This is an 8 by 8 inch pan, so they recommend baking it for 35 to 38 minutes or until a toothpick inserted 2 inches from the edge of the pan comes out almost clean. So that's what we're gonna be looking for, and I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. All right guys, it has been 39 minutes in my oven. I tested it and my toothpick came out most of the way clean. So I believe that we are done, but just to show you, I'll show you what the almost clean toothpick looks like. You're just gonna have a little bit of your brownie batter on there, but not sticking all the way through. So that's how you know that it's done. So here's our completed Betty Crocker Delights Supreme Original Brownie Mix. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.